Test, test. Can you hear me now? Test. I think we're okay. Right, welcome back friends, it's Dad again, and we've got the aforementioned Nikon L35 to have a look at. Let's just, there we go. You recognise this, I'm sure. There we go. Managed to get this one off eBay, and it said it was damaged and broken, so this is just a quick video to show you how I got involved and took this one to pieces. There was a problem with the battery door, as is quite common with these, but it needed some cleaning, so I got in there with some bicarbonate of soda and some vinegar and just cleaned all the contact points. You know, look, all the way in there, down the bottom. So get in there with a Q-tip and give that a good go. The other thing you might want to do is to take your J00, it's like a posi drive, out of my tool set, and there are, to get this panel off, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of these, so I'll just show you that nice and gently. Keep them somewhere safe as you go. Two. Three. They're shorter. Note that the ones on the side here are shorter than the other screws on the back. So with that, those screws off, this can now gently find its way, there we go, off. Okay, and that just lifts off. Mine's obviously had a bit of a repair at some point, hence the glue underneath it there. But that's easy enough to get off, and give it a little clean in there. Get in there with some lens cleaner. If you find that when you look through the camera you still got build up of dust, then the way you fix that is you can take the front body off, but there's also like a tiny screw there as well, and there's a, not sure you can see it here, there's a latch, it's hooked on from that side and then screwed down there. You can take that off. You might be able to just wiggle it out very gently without actually removing this front panel, and then you can get inside and you can clean all the dust from the viewfinder, and that's a really good top tip. That helps. But if you want to take the front off, and say you've got problems with the inner workings, or some of the lithium grease has dried up on some of the working around here, you have to take this front panel off. This particular one, the glass was rattling, so it'd come loose in there, so I super glued. When I had the front off, I was able to super glue in there to make that operational again and stop rattling. The thing to remember about this is that in order to take this front piece off, not the flash, but just this front whole piece, there are the 2 screws internally there that hold this film buffer piece. There are 2 really fiddly ones in there that you need to remove on the spooler. There's 2 in there you need to get. There's 1, 2, 3 on the bottom. They have to come off. That is, and there's a very slight little latch there that you can see there, hopefully, that just gently you can maneuver that, and down these two sides as well. There's two more pins there. Very gently with a plastic tool you can get in there so you don't damage this case. But the one that was a real laugh, having done all of that, I couldn't understand why this actually wasn't coming apart. And you'll love this. Take a scalpel and just really ever so gently run it in there and try and lift this back in here, and under there, lo and behold, is the last screw in there, and you need to take that one off, and then the front will just fall away, and that allows you to clean all the contact points down here for the on-off switch buttons. Sometimes they go bad, that's worth rectifying while you're in. Give all this a good clean. Check the quality of your light seals all the way around here. That's also worth doing while you've got it open. And if so, get some foam and cut them, put them on. So yeah, that's just a top tip I wanted to share really about that Nikon LF. Excuse me, phones are ringing.